Iran.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from India.
And what's your name?
My name is Dev. What's your name?
My name is Mas,
Okay, it's nice name.
and thank you, and nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So, do you want to talk about the topic? Do you
Yeah,
have any idea
I have
about
a
that?
15 topics. I have a 15 topics you can see. Can I say?
Oh,
Yeah,
I can see your notebook,
yeah, I just
but
write
it's not
here.
very clear.
I just write here 15
Yeah,
topics.
very good. So, how about the new topic? Tell me
Okay.
about your turning point.
Actually here is
I mean,
15. Actually here is 15 topics. So I just tell you what you want to talk about any topic. Yeah. So I just want to say, do you have any pet?
do I have any what?
Do you have any pet?
Pet?
Yeah. Animal.
No, actually, I'm not. I'm not a fan of having any pets.
Okay.
How about
But
you?
yeah, I have a one dog. My dog name
Oh,
is Rocky.
is he? Your dog is he? Yeah, he's Rocky.
Yeah, he's a Rocky. So
How old is he?
it's like 2 years.
Oh, where is he now?
He's my home.
Actually, I never think about that because I'm not very comfortable about the animals.
Okay.
You know, when I go to the mountain climbing, sometimes I see some dogs. They are very kind. Also, these days very common having pets, especially in the big cities in
Okay.
my country. People prefer to have a pet instead of having a partner or child or so I respect their idea, but I personally believe maybe it's better we leave them animal alone according their own nature.
Okay.
You know, maybe it can be selfish to have a pet
Yeah.
and leave it in our flat or in apartment because it's really happening in my country. Many people have pet, but they should go to work, earn money to pay the bills. So this poor petty should stay in a flat for a long time until the owner to home and take them out. So
So you just
to be honest, I never. Yeah.
you just you climbing mountain. So how's your experience there?
Yes, my experience in the mountain.
Yeah, you said you were climbing mountain that time you saw.
See the dogs in the nature.
Okay.
And I know they are very kind. For example, one time we lost the track
Okay.
when we were backing home from the mountain, and one very loyal and kind dog lead us to find the track, to find the correct way. So I know the dogs are very kind. So you mean you are very careful about the feeding the animals?
Yeah, because one time dogs are bite me.
Oh, so what happened
Then I put
after biting?
then put lots of injection. 14 injection.
Wow, wow, the dog was a wild. Yeah.
That time I was kid and dog can't eat guavas and I just feeding him now and
Oh,
he just bite me because he can't.
oh, yeah. You made him angry.